Verifying your identity with BMO Bank is an important step to ensure the security of your accounts. Follow these steps to complete the verification process efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary identification documents such as a government-issued ID passport or driver's license, social insurance number SIN, and proof of address, utility bill or bank statement. Step 2. Visit the BMO website or app. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Start the verification process. Follow the prompts to begin the identity verification process. You may need to enter your account information and select the type of identification you will provide. Step 4. Upload documents. Upload the required documents as instructed. Ensure that the images are clear and legible to avoid delays in the verification process. Step 5. Confirm submission. Review your submission to ensure all information is accurate, then confirm and submit your identity verification request. You will receive a notification once your identity has been successfully verified. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to access your BMO bank account with confidence, knowing your identity is secure.